are Dynamic Duo Reactions. And we are back for Black Lightning, season 1, episode 12.
That's 1, 2, or should it be 1, 2?
The Resurrection and the Light, the Book of Pain. I'm real excited. Everybody just been talking about this episode.
And she's been trying to get me to watch it. I'm like exhausted.
We've been so busy these past couple days.
Yes.
But yeah, we're so excited to see what's gonna happen. I hear Khalil's gonna show up. So
Khalil.
We'll see.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Okay. Lego.
Okay, I'm putting my arm around you.
Okay.
Okay. Mommy love.
You people. I appreciate
you people.
Okay, you provided.
Triggered already in the first few seconds.
Especially now that.
Oh my god, my boy got dreads.
Hey.
Hello,
Watching Black Lightning.
Mr. Wild.
Don't let him spoil nothing.
What you doing? You headed to work out? Did you get the mop?
Jefferson!
Oh, okay. Cause I'm about to use mine tonight. I opened the refrigerator up and
oh my god,
a bottle of wine fell out the damn door.
Does he likely shock her? Does that?
It sure did. You told me that I'm not supposed to lay it down. I never laid the wine.
I have so many questions. They're so cute. Oh my god. I have so many questions.
That's how it's supposed to feel when you like in love and when you touch somebody and you're supposed to get those electrical shocks through your body.
Thank you for saving my life.
Babe, when you first touched me, did you get electrical shocks through your body the way he did when he touched his wife?
Oh my god!
You're welcome, son. As soon as my black ass couldn't run no more, where were you?
There? He was there!
Even let you die in there.
He's right. No, he wasn't.
But at the same time, he made his daughter cry and was being a total douche to her. So, in his defense,
It's right here.
I'm your future, Mr. P.
he said, "Where's the future, Mr. P? It's right here."
So sick of this powers drama.
Your mother, what?
She's isolating this meta gene so she can stop it. I can finally be me again.
Oops.
She says, "So I can be done with all this powers drama." Girl, you in a superpower family. You ain't never gonna be done with this powers drama.
And she's about to find Khalil.
He texted her. It's probably a setup too. It's probably a setup too so he can get in that school
Are you
tomorrow.
trying to isolate?
Oh my god.
I've done some preliminary research to understand what's happening.
So you could suppress the mutation.
She's conflicted about her powers. I don't see any reason not to explore the
It's
options.
who she is.
Jeff, I'm not the enemy.
You're trying to change her. And treating her like she's sick. Okay, so is Anissa sick? Am I?
No, that's not
Okay, how
right.
could you do this without talking to me?
Well, that love didn't last long.
You know,
I mean, it was
it's good
just
that we can
mad.
tell the girls we're getting back
And
together.
understandably so. Oh god, he threw that up in her face.
He's just trying to dump his wife because she.
No, I think
Hold on. Let me close the blinds.
I understand where she's coming from. I mean,
that's what she wants. She wants them to be suppressed.
I mean, that's always an option for Jennifer, but I think they should let her get used to it first and know how to control it before they suppress it. Yeah.
She wants to. Yeah.
You know, I've been waiting about an hour, thinking that you come home. Girl, where you been?
We've actually been staying someplace else.
Oh God, that is the first.
Rose. Let out.
Oh my God! What they put in his back?
A spine. That's a spine.
And look, I'm the first person to ever get this. I'm better without your ass anyway.
Khalil.
What? The devil gives the cause.
Huh? Who that?
The dangerous layaway.
What did they say?
Molly, right?
You're gonna kill him.
The devil deals the what?
Killed you how?
Who called him? I'm confused.
Peter, it's Thomas. I've got what we discussed. Use the door this time. And when we're done, I'd like to never see you again.
Oh
They're
no.
gonna kill him.
Flips the whole dang school bus over. What is shooting people with?
Green light.
I never could stand your ass. What the hell you doing, Khalil?
Oh, so he's gathering up kids for them.
No. He's going there so he can drop black lightning out so they can catch him. The goal is not to grab kids right now.
I'm just getting started.
This is not you. This is not the Khalil I was friends with. Please, you don't have to do this.
Yeah, but this is me. And yes, I do have to do this. Look, I won't hurt her. But you need to get out of here. Earlier, I started. I said, go.
Come on, slow down. Let's go, let's go. Exit the classroom.
Oh, her friend.
I know. Just go.
She's handling this so well.
Get these kids out of here.
Dang, they look so good standing next to each other.
I'm blind inside the school, but I'm working on it. And SWAT's about 5 minutes from coming in. We should split up.
Jennifer is not gonna leave him. She is so calm and cool. I love her.
Look at her.
She told them to go. She was just sitting in there waiting. God, I love Nessa.
Please kill her. Oh no,
What in the world is
she's
she?
a fucking, a freaking robot.
Oh yes, I'm here for the theme music for this fight. Oh snap! Jennifer.
can't do it.
She can. She's just thinking about it.
I thought you'd run off after I kicked your ass at the club. You suit to take me down.
He really doesn't need the suit, my dude. How do you think his powers work?
Is that all you got?
What?
Think I come up prepared?
Oh,
A long time.
his shirt is lightning resistant.
Undersuit. You're gonna have to fight me like a man, not a little lightning bug. Don't do it, Jeff. Tactically, hand-to-hand combat makes no sense.
Oh God. Peter told him not to do this. Tobias is beefed up on that Hulk anti-aging serum. This is the most stupid. If anybody should be fighting Tobias, it's Nessa. So is she a robot? Is that what she is? Jennifer! No! Why did I just say Jennifer? Nessa, don't let your guard down. Jennifer, I'm gonna need you to
Look in the window. That's all you need to do.
look in the window and get your lightning on, girl. Dang! Nessa broke the door!
Vanessa, your dad needs your help. Get over there quick.
I'm like waiting for Tobias to pull a Bane and Batman and like break his back or something.
Damn.
Oh my God.
It ain't over though. Hold on.
It ain't over, no.
Kick him in the face.
Dang!
Oh my God.
I mean, legs for loyalty, fam.
I come up prepared. Zap the kid hard. It'll short out his implant. He'll be paralyzed again. Look, Jeff, I know how you feel about the kid, but this is not the time. SWAT's about to come in. The bullets are gonna start flying.
Jefferson, no!
What was that? What was that?
Oh snap.
Oh my God. Where's Nessa?
What happened, Dad?
Oh snap. Where is Nessa?
Nessa! Jennifer, somebody!
He's dead, you idiot. What about life and you understand? Not so hot now, huh? At least I can finally see who this clown is.
Where Nessa?
Go, go.
Come on, Dad, we gotta get up. Dad.
Where's Jennifer? She can shock him.
Dad. Dad, wake up. Dad, wake up. Dad, wake up.
Jennifer!
Dad, wake up.
What was that?
It was Jennifer.
Whatever Jennifer did, tell her to do it again. Hard.
Come on, Dad. One more time. Shock him. Shock him one more time.
Well. Yes, yes. now she's gonna want her powers. You know, like, Mom, cancel that. Suppression. Cancel it. Wow.
That was such an emotional roller coaster.
They didn't know what to do when Nesta came. That girl coming in there with the
She
bullets.
said,
I mean, like, really, dude? You just shot her like 24 times and not one bullet penetrated her. And, okay, yeah.
I guess she was hoping that she
know what
breathing.
she was, because when she cut her, it looked like she had some mesh under her skin, so she's probably like a robot or something.
I don't think she's a robot. I think she might be an experiment on
she's
humans.
a meta or something.
Yeah, she's a meta something.
This experiment cannot fail.
Who is that girl that they keep looking at?
That was one of the students.
I know she's one of the students, but who is she like as far as importance? Because they keep showing her.
Look, what are they doing?
Bringing somebody. Lala. I told you it was the ASA controlling him.
Octavius.
You believe in the resurrection like David?
Resurrection. I will blow your head off your mother. The devil deals the cards.
See?
Sit your ass down.
See? See what I
I like his chair though.
I really hate loose ends, so I want to thank you for taking care of the weapons maker. You're welcome.
Oh, he's about to cry.
We killed
mean? Yep, he don't have any control over his actions. And you know it.
Proctor will own the whole damn table.
It's like he can get out. He in the sunken place.
Yes, sir.
Well.
I'm telling you, he's in the sunken place. What's this?
Mom, what are you gonna do with that?
Oh.
An eye for an eye doesn't solve anything. Just makes the whole world blind. Only you'll ever know if it was worth it. Lightning season finale next Tuesday at 9 8.
You thought we had 2 episodes. We only
It
have
was all new this Thursday at
the
9,
season
8.
finale.
Yup.
Wow. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be wild.
Well, I have to get up and clean the kitchen and mop the floor. What do you have to do?
Edit this
You're gonna edit it tonight?
a little bit.
Do you guys think she should edit it tonight or wait till tomorrow?
Well, they aren't gonna be able to answer that question.
Oh, that's
we
right,
won't be
because yeah, exactly. My bad.
up.
I'm thinking we're live.
No.
Okay. We are
Dynamic duo reactions. And this has been Black Lightning, and you guys have been awesome.
Good. It was good.
Yes, it was so good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that.
Acrimony, and no, I'm not getting paid for that because it is really good. Oh my gosh, it's good. I may go see it again. Okay.
We'll see you on the flip side. Peace out.